science. Science plays an important role in our daily life. Science is a wonderful gift for us. Electricity. Electricity is a wonderful invention of science. It lights our house. Means of transport. Buses, cars, trains, ships, and aeroplanes are the greatest contribution of science. Means of communication. Science has given many new means of communication such as mobile, wireless, internet, etc. Atomic energy. Atomic energy is the latest discovery of science. Agriculture. Science has helped us the development of agriculture. Medical science. Science has given many effective medicine to us. Computer. Computer is the greatest invention of science. It is used in every field of life. Science is a great helper to modern man. Thank you.